Para sana kumanta ka. Sir JR, nandun pa rin ako ha, Sir JR. Ulit-ulit. Siyempre, para dikitan ka niya. Guys, pakidikitan naman yung ating magaling na singer. Oh, you like doing karaoke as well. OMBT also love doing karaoke. Sir Evan. She is pretty, she is a great singer, and she is sexy too. Always welcome, Sir Evan. Ay, Sir AGR. If you can go to the live of OMBT here, Sir Evan, you will love it, Sir Evan. You can enjoy your life. Mama Maribel, mainay done watching and shared your latest. Short upload, dikit na po. Sabi ni Sir Rando. Atin na ng lalamunan ko. Hello, my dear Dreamy Tons. Shouty, Dreamy. Ninang, ipin mo lang. Ninang, sige lang, okay lang. Baba mo dito. Pambebenta na yan. No, I'm not selling you. I'm just only promoting your channel, my love. You're a great singer. Oh, that is true. You are pretty. That is true also. And you're sexy. That is true also. What else? You're a kind person. What else? You're lovable. What else? You're a happy person. What else? My love. Oh, I'm not a bolera. I'm just only telling the truth, my love. I'm not a bolera. Ay, sino magsasabi yan na bolera ako? Sige, hindi ako bolera. Wala pa akong nabola. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since I sang in shows, but you may not have heard of them, like Oliver and Showboat or music. O diba, sa random, nagaubo muna ako. Kasi may ano na yung boses ko. May sabit na. Hello, Sweet Bloom, Shouty. Next, sa random. Gina, I am waiting for bananas. Just wait, Sweet Bloom. I am still no banana today, okay? Mama Rebel, huwag mong dikitan yan. Alagad lang yan. Bayani, thank you, Sir Bayani. Wala ba akong nabobola, my love? Nagsasabi lang ako ng pawang katotohanan. Pawang katotohanan lamang. Yung aking mga sinasabi. Hindi naman ako bulera. Diyos me, bulera daw ako. Ma'am, when we're just being honest, telling the truth, it's not a crime, yeah. We're just only telling the truth, but nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth. It's only the truth. Oh, may nagising. Yung tulog, nagising na. Ellie ko, TV Vlog, Shouty, Sir Ellie. Nagising yung tulog. Nakarinig ng bola. May basketball po ba dito para usapan bola? Wala anuman, host. Nagising yung natulog. Akala ko ba dinalaw ka na ng anto? Hala! Diyos me!